we have our move down here. This is going to be called our X leg. I'll use this so you can actually read it. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. This is going to be our X leg right here. This move down here is going to be our A leg. That is the first move of a potential advanced pattern formation. We then have a failed extension up like this, right? A little brief retracement. That is going to be our B leg. Now, what I want to do here is I want to take my Fibonacci retracement tool out. I want to measure it from the high of my X, the very high, the wick, to the low of my A, the very low, right? And I want to see where that B leg comes to. And depending on what ratio it comes to, that sets up what pattern I'm looking for. For example, if it would have come only to a 50% but not hit the 618, I would be on alert for a bat pattern. It did hit the 618, so that switches it over to being on alert for a Gartley pattern. So I now have a Gartley pattern on alert. We'll kind of go through this quickly for the rest of it because I don't want to make this a 30-minute video. This is going to be our C leg, right? Another failed extension to the downside. I'll move this up so you guys can see it. And then for the Gartley pattern specifically, I'm looking for a move to the 127 Fibonacci extension. So taking my Fibonacci extension tool from up there, starting at my A, dragging it to the high of my B, and back down. And if price action were to go to this 127 level right there, I'll erase this other stuff, that is going to put me on alert for a Gartley pattern. So it's something that looks like this: swing high to swing low, X to A, first retracement up, A to B, failed extension down, B to C, move to the 127, that's my CD completion, and the zone of reversal, right, is going to be from that 127 to the X leg. So if price action comes into this magical zone that I just drew in, then what I would be looking for is a potential short-term short. Very big emphasis on short term, right? This isn't a full reversal. We're not looking for a full bearish breakout, just a short-term move back down to about right here, right? So again, earnings coming out for NVIDIA this Wednesday, the 19th, I believe, so keep an eye on that. But as long as we work inside this period of consolidation, which is pretty common before earning periods, this could be a opportunity to take advantage of inside that consolidative period.